welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys a super easy and delicious green spaghetti. A lot of you guys have been requesting it and I am so excited and happy to finally share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so you're going to need 4 chile poblanos, 2 chiles serranos, 1 cup of cilantro, 2 garlic cloves, 2 chicken bouillons, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 8 ounces of sour cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, and this is optional, some queso fresco. And for your spaghetti, you're going to need, of course, your spaghetti, olive oil, salt, and 1 bay leaf. So let's get started, you guys. Alrighty guys, so here I have my pot of water, and I'm just gonna add some olive oil. And some salt. And our bay leaf. And over here, we are going to roast our chiles. So just put them on your comal, or if you have a pan, we're gonna roast them there. So just make sure you're keeping an eye on them, and then turn them when it's time to turn them, okay? And then I'll be back. Alrighty, so once your water is starting to boil, you're gonna put your spaghetti, and I like to cut mine in half. So that's optional, it's up to you. Just gonna throw the spaghetti in there. And then we're just gonna let it boil for about 10 minutes. Okay. And then over here, your chiles should be looking something like that. Your chiles serranos, they will be done by this time, so we're gonna just put them inside a bag, and I usually just use the same one that I put my chiles when I buy them. So I'm just gonna put those 2 in here. And just cover the bag and just turn this chiles poblanos over here. Just keep turning. Alrighty, so once your chiles look like this, all roasted, we are going to put them inside the bag so we can let them sweat, and like that it will be easy for us to peel them and devein them. Okay. This one still needs a little bit more. Okay, so just put them all in there and make sure that your bag stays closed, so like that they can sweat. And we're gonna let them sweat for about 5 minutes, and then yeah, you guys, we can start getting started with our salsa. And meanwhile, our spaghetti, it's still softening over here. Okay. Alrighty guys, so once your noodles are ready, we are going to drain them, and make sure you take out the bay leaf. Alrighty guys, so now we're just gonna start taking out our chiles from the bag and start peeling them and devein them, okay? So just so it's like the same thing you do to the chile rellenos, that's what we're gonna do here. You can open them in half. And take out all the seeds. Okay, so just do that to all of the all of the chiles. And the chiles serranos, you could leave them with the seeds or you can take them out as well. I'm just gonna leave them just like that. Alrighty guys, so now we're just gonna add everything to our blender. We're gonna add the chiles. We go all the way down. Our garlics, our bouillons, our black pepper, milk, sour cream, and your cream cheese. So we're just gonna blend that. And our cilantro, we're going to add it later, okay? So just so once everything's mixed, I'm going to add my cilantro. I'm just gonna throw it in there and mix it a little bit more. I want my cilantro to be still showing, okay? So I don't want it to be all pureed with the salsa. And that's good for that. Alrighty guys, so now I'm just gonna put one pan over here with a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. So we're just gonna bring our salsa to a simmer. So just gonna add the salsa. I have it on low heat, you guys. So we're gonna bring it to a simmer. And now if you guys want your salsa to be more watery, then that you guys can always add water or more milk. But for me, this is right. Oop. Alright, so once your spaghetti starts simmering, you can turn it off. Just mix it and you can turn it off. And that's done. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna bring the sauce to a simmer, but I'm just gonna move it to the other side so we can start working on our pasta. So using the same pot that I use for my to boil my spaghetti, I'm going to put the butter in here, and then we are going to add our spaghetti. Just make sure that you keep mixing your sauce, don't forget about it. Okay, so here we're going to throw our butter. I'm just gonna melt it in there. And this is just gonna give our spaghetti some flavor. If you guys wanna skip this step, you guys can just go ahead and add your spaghetti straight to your sauce. So once that's melted, we are going to throw our spaghetti. And once you see that your spaghetti is covered with the butter, See? We are going to go ahead and add our chile, or our sauce. So. And just keep it on low heat, you guys. And just mix your spaghetti. Alrighty guys, so this is what the spaghetti looks like. Just mix it around. And that's your spaghetti. You can turn it off and it's ready to be served. Alrighty guys, so that's the spaghetti. So I like to serve it with some queso fresco. Just on top. And there it is, ready to be enjoyed. And there it is, you guys. You guys can serve it by itself or serve it with some pork chops or chicken or whatever you guys decide to serve it with. So let's give it a try. Creamy, delicious, super delicious. And there you have it, you guys, a super easy and delicious green spaghetti. I like my foods to be spicy, so in case you are someone who doesn't tolerate spiciness, you could always take out the chiles serranos and that will be just as delicious. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and as always, if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you try the recipe, please let me know down below, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.